Bonjour, I am Jacques Torres and welcome to Tuesday Tips. Of course, like every dad, I cook for my kids, I cook for wifey, and we love salmon. I love to give salmon to the kids. I think it's good for them. But I'm a chocolate maker, so how to bring my profession, my chocolate things into cooking salmon? That's pretty strange. I'm going to show you how to marry the world of cooking with chocolates. The first things, I'm removing the skin of this salmon here. So you make your knife very flat and you go all the way like that. And hopefully you remove the whole skin of your salmon. There is a way to make that very crispy, cooking it. Maybe I will try that later. So I'm going to keep that aside. Okay, so I have those 3 big pieces, and I will do something else with this one here. Maybe just cut it here a little bit and cook it this way. Okay, so also what I did, I take some leeks and I cut them in small pieces. Be careful with the leeks, you really have to wash them very well. And then in the pot behind me, I put some cocoa butter. Cocoa butter come from the cacao pod. And cacao pod has cacao beans inside. 50% of the beans is cocoa butter. And when you melt it, it's basically a vegetable oil. So I melt that into my frying pan and I'm going to add the leeks to it. Okay, so the leeks are finishing cooking very slowly into the cocoa butter. Now I have here some cacao nibs. Cacao nibs are the inside of the cacao pod. It's roasted. We remove the shell and we end up with the inside of the cacao beans, which is 100% chocolate, 100% cocoa, no sugar at all. That has a fruity flavor, nutty. It's delicious. It's pretty strong. So what I do, I cut my salmon into portions. I'm going to season the piece of salmon. Then a little bit of pepper, of course. Then what you do, you take those pieces of salmon and you press them into the cacao nibs, and now you're going to have a nice crust to it. I put a little bit of cocoa butter into my frying pan, and I'm going to put the cacao nibs down into the pan and cook it a little bit. Wait, then I will flip those pieces of salmon and finish cooking them on the skin side. I remove the skin. I like my salmon to be pink inside, so I think it's ready here. Remember that the cocoa butter is basically vegetable oil. And here we go. Cacao beans, leeks, salmon à la Jacques. Bon appétit.